dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JustMeRee, and thank you for tuning in. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking onto this video. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way, you know, might as well. And also, while you're down there, you might as well hit the notification bell, just so that you can get those post notifications about me posting. Because I don't post on a regular basis. I don't have a schedule. So if you guys want to see more of me and more of what's going on this channel, which is really dope stuff that's going on. It's dope. So go ahead so that you get notified, so you can come back to my channel when it's uploaded. Okay, so today's video is going to be an unboxing. I'm really excited. I basically did a gift swap with one of my friends here on YouTube. It's with India's Diaries, and we go pretty way back. I have did a video, like I've collabed with her before. It was like last Christmas, so it's kind of cool that we are re-collabing kind of again. It's really an unboxing, like we just did like Secret Santa in a type of way. So I'm really excited. I don't know what she got me. I don't know, I'm just really excited about it. And if you guys are excited to see what I got as well, go ahead, keep watching. Let's just get into this video already. I'm so excited. So first I want to say, if you are digging this, I know it's kind of scary that I have this knife, but I don't have a box cutter, so I have to use a knife. But if you guys are interested in this eye look, I did pre-record this, so this video is going to be coming up really soon. So like I said, subscribe, hit the post notifications if you want to know what's going on. So this is what I had received in the mail. It has that Sephora logo. I'm really excited. I'm just like, I received this probably like last week, and it's just been sitting on my dresser waiting for me to film so I can get a true unboxing. And I don't know, it's just been taunting me. It's just been like, open me. And I've just been like, wait a minute box, wait a minute Sephora. I need to make sure that I can sit down and actually film this so you guys can get my like real expressions, you know? So here we go, we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. Let's see. Boom. Oh my god, I'm so excited, dude. Like, I dropped the knife. I thought I was gonna land on my foot or something. Oh my god. Okay, so we're opening it. Oh my god. I'm getting nervous. And I got some samples. Ooh. I love me some samples. What is this? It's Ellis Brooklyn. It's the sci-fi perfume. It's very Frenchy, you know. Oh my god, I guess Stila is gonna have some foundations coming out. Or I don't know if they have foundations. I've never heard of them having foundation. So that's actually really cool. Of course, they don't have my shade for me to, you know, sample. But I don't know, the shade range doesn't look like it's gonna be a good one, because it definitely stopped at espresso, and that's a whole nother video. Let's leave that for Alyssa. And then I got Foolproof brow powder. Okay. Oh, I don't know what this does. I don't know what this does. Oh, is this like a tattoo? Is this like powder? What the heck is this? Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a sample, and I guess you stamp it on your eyebrow. It has some type of brow product on it. Like, if I do that, you see. So, okay, that's interesting. It's interesting. But my brows are like, I don't have brows, so it's kind of like, wait a minute, I ain't got no brows. Oh my god. Oh my god, how cute. So she had got me these Sephora. It's like 3 mini set brow tools. So I have some little tweezers. I got an angle brush, And I also got a brow spoolie. Thank you so much, girl. Like, this is so freaking cute. Like, I need this for like on the go, you know, like when you're just out and about, and say like if my brow comes off, I can quickly like touch up, or like if my eyelash is like falling off and you always need like a tweezer. The thing that I see is this Makeup Forever hydrating primer. Ooh. Oh my god, so oh my god, how exciting. This is so cute. This is really cute, girl. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Like, I'm so excited to try this. Like, I'm really in the hunt right now for a nice primer, because I'm not really digging this like the Boscia one. I'm really oily, and even though it says it's mattifying, I'm just kind of like, no, this is not mattifying. Like, you guys can tell I had used it, and I mean, besides my highlight and all that stuff, I'm really oily. Like, I'm a little bit too glowy for my like, for my own personal preference. So I'm really excited to try this. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing that I do see is this, a Sephora Beauty Amplifier Spray. Oh my god. It is a freaking, oh my god, is this a setting spray? Set and refresh your makeup with this multitasking spray. Oh my god, I think it's like, I think it's gonna smell like kind of refreshing. I'm so excited. We're gonna do the little, see how it come out. Ooh, that smells good. Hold up. Oh, I did it too close to my face. I hate when I do that. I got too excited. Ooh, ooh. Yes. Okay, come through. Okay, so I do have this one. I like it, but I do feel like this is like more for girls who want to be a little bit on the more dewy side and a little bit more, you know, glowy. I'm not, like I said, I want to be matte. Like, I like a matte face. So I know I said this was on my favorites, but as I start using it and using it and using it, I'm just kind of like, this is a little bit too oily. I don't know if it's this mixed with the Boscia face primer, but you know, this, I'm gonna try this out and see how this is. Oh my god, I'm really excited for this. It smells really good too. Like, it says that it has lemon balm and peppermint extracts, leaving skin feeling rejuvenated and fresh. Okay, I want to feel rejuvenated and fresh, so we're gonna see how this works out. Thank you. Oh my god. What? OMG. ColourPop You're a Gem Lip Trio. Oh! What the heck? You are like an absolute gem. These colors are to die for. So she got me this, okay, this one's so cute. It's called Charming. And I've been wanting like a lip gloss that's kind of like goldy. Let's see how it looks. I hate my swatches right now. Sorry. Ooh. That is pretty. Like, what the freak? What's this one? This one is Catching Feelings. This is cute. Let's see. Whoa. I don't own anything that color. Like, I don't own anything. And then this one is called Misbehaving. Wow. Is this... Let's see how this one is. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one's pretty too. Look at these colors. Yo, this is definitely black girl friendly. Like, I am like in love. In love. In love. I really love this middle color. What is this one called? Catching Feelings. Girl, I am catching feelings for this one for sure. What? You are a good gift giver. You did such a good job. I hope you like my gift. I really do. Like, oh. So I'm really excited. Like, I've never used like one of their eyeshadows before. You know, obviously. Ooh, that's like really like spongy, like soft. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, ColourPop. It's a Super Shock Shadow, which is super cute. And it's called Fluffy. Oh my god, I love the name. It's so cute. And that's how Fluffy looks. Ah, this is so pretty. I can't wait to put this all over my lids. I was gonna do another video after this. I might actually use this eyeshadow. This is really pretty. Oh my god. And it has hints of like, I don't know if I'm seeing things. It could be my lighting up in here, but like, it looks like there's hints of like rose gold in there. And anything rose gold, y'all already know I freaking love. So, oh my god. Why are you such a freaking angel? Like, I'm so excited for everything you got me. Thank you so freaking much. Everything that you got me, I really do love. And like, I'm just so glad that we were able to connect and get closer, and we genuinely have a real friendship. And I'm just so like overjoyed right now with like this present. But yeah, thanks girlies so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead, after watching this video, go ahead and head to her channel so you can see what I got her. And also subscribe to her, subscribe to me, turn on her post notifications, and also turn on my post notifications, because we upload, you know, we upload, okay, sporadically. Also, make sure you subscribe. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay true to yourself, love yourself with or without makeup, and just live your life 100% to the fullest. You only have one life. You guys are amazing. And I will see you in my next video. All right, bye. Mwah.